Hey everyone, it's Hunter Elmore here, your design consultant with Gravity Sketch, and today we're going to be showcasing how to export your native Gravity Sketch data as .blend files. This will allow you to export your Gravity Sketch data to Blender for downstream workflows like refined modeling, review, and rendering. Today, we're going to be working with this controller model as an example. If you want to follow along, you can grab this model from the Community Creations tab with the name Void Controller by Hunter Elmore. But now that we've got that model in here, let's go ahead and get started. Exporting as a blend file is as easy and straightforward as any export from Gravity Sketch. Just navigate to your global menu, down to the export icon, and select the Blender Modeling Export. There are a few settings here that you can manipulate, but these are already dialed in by default to get you good results. Now we can click Export, name our file, and it's as easy as that. You can retrieve your cloud export from LandingPad by navigating to landingpad.me and navigating to the location where you saved your file. To find that even quicker, you can click on the Cloud Exports tab on the left, which will automatically display your most recent cloud exports. Now we can download that file and directly open it in Blender. You'll notice that the file opens cleanly with all surfaces intact. The beauty of this export is that any active mirrors, thickens, or subdivision levels are imported to Blender as active modifiers. This means that the data is as ready to use as if it were created natively in Blender from the get-go. The objects are grouped by their layer structure in Gravity Sketch, so your file even stays organized. From here, you can use Blender as you normally would, make edits to the surfaces, generate renders, prep the model for a game engine, UV unwrap, texture paint. The options are really limitless. Ultimately, this workflow is an excellent way to work between Blender and Gravity Sketch, enabling you to utilize the best aspects of each program. This clean export workflow means faster development processes, less headache when moving between tools, and facilitates collaboration between teams with mixed tool sets. I hope this has been a helpful workflow showcase, and we'll see you in the next one.